everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for your paint business. Let's suppose I am running a paint business and I have started promoting my business on Facebook lead ads. I want that whenever a customer submits the form or the new lead is created, the details are automatically added to Google Sheets so that I can send quick follow-ups to all these customers. I can automate this entire process with the help of Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. I just need to build connection between Facebook and Google Sheets. Pabbly Connect runs on two principles, which is triggers and actions. Here in my trigger application, I will take Facebook lead ads where the new lead will be created, and in my action application, I will take Google Sheets where all these details will be added automatically. If you want to learn this amazing automation step by step, let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to add leads generated by Facebook lead ads to Google Sheets. For this, we are going to create automation between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheets with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect in your browser. After browsing the website, we need to sign in to a Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. But if you are a new user, click on sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I am an existing user, I'll click on sign in. And here a dashboard has appeared which is showing us all the Pabbly applications. Here we need to click on Pabbly Connect Access Now. And it has taken us to this dashboard where we will be able to see all our workflows over here and all the folders that we have created over here. If you want to create a new folder, you just need to click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, we want to create a new workflow, for which we have to click on create workflow. And now it's asking for the workflow name. So let's name this as add Facebook leads to Google Sheets. Now it's asking for the folder in which we want to save this workflow. So these are the folders that I have created, and now I'm going to select Facebook lead automations and click on create. As soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation workflow. Here in this workflow, we want to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets. So as soon as the lead will be created, it will be added to our Google Sheets. So our trigger application will be Facebook lead ads. And a trigger event will be new lead instant. Click on connect. Click on add new connection. Next, click on connect with Facebook lead ads. Authorization successful. Here I have already logged into my Facebook account. That's why it didn't ask for the login. So our Facebook is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now we need to enter these details. So to enter these details, let me take you to my Facebook account. This is the page that I have created for my business by the name Color Splash Paints. I want to promote all my Facebook lead ads with the help of this page. So the name is Color Splash Paints. Let's go back to Pabbly, and we need to select the page. So the name of the page is Color Splash Paints. Next, it's asking for the lead gen form. So these are the forms that I have created. This is my form, and if you want to create a new form, simply open your Facebook page, and on the left side you can see Lead Center. Click on Lead Center. Here on the left side you need to click on All Tools and simply click on Instant Forms. So this is the form that I have created, and if you want to create your own form, you can just click on create form. If you want to learn more about this, check out our YouTube channel. So let's go back to Pabbly. And from here, the name of my form was My Paint Business. Next, click on save and send test request. Now you see it's waiting for the webhook response. So as soon as the new lead will be created, the response will be shown to us over here. We need to create the lead, for which we have to fill the form. So let me take you to Meta for Developers. So this is the app dashboard of Meta for Developers, and over here you can see all the options. Here you need to click on More, click on Tools, and here you need to click on Lead Ads RTO Debug Tool. And from here we need to select the page. So the name of the page was Color Splash Paints, and the name of the form was My Paint Business. Before creating the lead, make sure that you delete the lead and refresh your page. So select your page again. The name was color splash paints and the name of my form was My Paint Business. Click on Preview Form and now let's fill the form. So let me add my name as Dummy, my email as dummy@pabblytudes.com and my phone number as. Click on Continue and click on Submit. Let's go to Pabbly and check whether this response is received or not. We have successfully received the response by the name Dummy. Email is dummy@pabblytudes.com with the same phone number. So Pabbly is successfully connected with Facebook lead ads, and next we need to select our action application, which is Google Sheets, because we want to add lead details in our Google Sheets. And our action event will be Add New Row. Click on Connect. I already have existing connection, but if you are doing it for the first time, you need to click on Add New Connection and it will just ask you for the login. Next, click on Save. So here Pabbly is successfully connected with Google Sheets and it's asking us to enter these details. So it's written over here, select spreadsheet. So this is my spreadsheet by the name FB Lead for Color Splash Paints. It has name, email and phone number. Let's go back to Pabbly and select my spreadsheet as FB Lead for Color Splash Paint. Sheet 1 is automatically selected. Next, I need to enter these details. To get these details, I'm going to use mapping, which means I'm going to insert data from my previous step. So I have received response from my Facebook lead ads. So I'll click on Facebook lead ads and enter the name as Dummy. Next, I'll enter the email as dummy@pabblytudes.com. Next, it's asking for the phone number, so entering phone number as this. Mapping is important so that every time you receive the new response, it is taken into consideration in these fields. Manually typing the data will make it static and the information will not change even if you have received the new response. Next, simply click on Save and Send Test Request. So we have received the response. Let's go back to our Google Sheets. Yes, we have successfully received the response. The name is Dummy, email is dummy@pabblytudes.com and the phone number is same as that we have filled in the form. To test whether our automation is running perfectly fine or not, let's fill this form again. Let's go back to Leads at Testing Tools. Here we need to delete the lead. First and then refresh the page. Now let's select the page as Color Splash Paints and the form was My Paint Business. Preview form. And let's enter some other dummy details. The name is Demo. The email as demo@pabblytudes.com. And the phone number is. Click on Continue. Click on Submit. Let's go to our Google Sheets and check whether we have received this response or not. Yes, we have successfully received this response also, which means our automation is running perfectly fine. To summarize this, we took Facebook lead ads in our trigger application and a trigger event as new lead. Then we made connection with Pabbly Connect, after which we selected the page and the form. Then we simply clicked on Save and Send Test Request, filled the form, received the response. After which we selected our action application as Google Sheets, where we selected the spreadsheet in which we want to receive the response. We mapped this data I told you about mapping, and then we successfully received the response in our Google Sheets. So we have successfully created the automation between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheets with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.